Kuringana na riboti ya ica ikuhi kuma kuri ruhonge rwa guthingatithia uigirereki barabara-ini NTSA, andu 563 nio makuite kurumirira mitino ya barabara mwaka uyu, na beno ikiongerereka ukiringithania na mwaka muhituku ihinda utariri. Niguo kunyihia mitino iria ikoretwo ikihanika o muthenya, KIAMA kia NGARI cia MATATU kiendekithitie thirikari kwambiriria thukuru cia utereba kuri atwarithia a ngari cia ukui wa muingi niguo makahota kugacirithia utaramu wao mahinda kwa mahinda.
And we are talking with government to see how we can be able to start a driving school for the drivers for PSV and even commercial. And we are in talk with the government. We believe they are going to support our initiative.
Akiaria hindi ya igongona ria kuneana bathi kuri Kisumu Kangaroo Sacco, MUIKARIRI GITI wa kiama giki Albert KARAKACHA atariria ati kuhingurwo gwa thukuru ici niguo guteithiriria kugacirithia mitugo na uigirereki wa matereba.
And we've been doing clinics the whole country as Matatu Owners Association. And through the road clinics, we believe the road carnage is going to go down. And we urge our drivers to be very careful on our roads, to make sure that they don't carry excess, to make sure they don't drink while they are driving.
MIARIO yake igikindirwo ni murugamiriri wa wonjoria kambuni-ini ya GB Auto Ireri Rotich, urio hinyiriirie fata wa honge ciothe kunyitanira angikorwo mihang'o ino ni guciara matunda.
We have seen the effect. And we are sure the accidents and the ills on our roads will drop, because this is an initiative that I think is continuing.
We have tried on our side, and we want to urge the government that let us just work together to contain the menace that we are seeing in the carnages we are witnessing in on our roads.
Hamwe na maundu mangi maria makoretwo magicungiriria kuongerereka kwa mitino ya barabara ni kwaga guthomeka kwa maruri ma barabara, rundu umwe na matereba gukorwo matari na uigirereki barabara-ini. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wadiro.